mushroom tip, flour, cornstarch, some of that onion, salt, black pepper, espelette, mushroom tips, pull them out once they're GBD. Some mustard greens, chicken fried mushrooms. This is a bourbon cured egg yolk, chive blossoms, chive powder, chicken fried king oyster mushrooms, snacks, egg, and bourbon. Oh no, one of them popped. Bourbon brined egg yolk, chive blossom, chive powder, chicken fried mushroom, mango sherbet. That's my childhood right there. Yeah. Mangos! Another video. New video. Mangos. New video. Look at that. Did this side in one go. Peel your mango. Parchment paper. Easy cleanup. Sweetened condensed milk. Maple syrup. Okay, here's where the magic happens. Chamoy, espelette.